Almost every app on your phone is collecting your data, silently, constantly, even when you're not using it. And the scariest part? Most of the time, you don't even realize it's happening. Your gallery photos, your personal videos, your bank information, private documents, call logs, messages, even your live location. All of this can be accessed, stored, and sometimes even shared without you noticing it. And it doesn't stop there. Some apps can access your microphone and potentially listen to conversations around you. Not always actively, but the access is there, and that alone should make you think twice. Now just pause for a second. How much of your life is inside your phone? Your memories, your secrets, your identity, everything in one small device. You might be thinking, I'm using these apps for free. What's the problem? But here's the truth. You're not really using them for free. You are the product. Your behavior, your interests, your habits, everything you do becomes valuable data. And companies, they use that data to improve algorithms, to target you better, and most importantly, still don't believe it? Let's try something simple. Sit near your phone and casually talk about any product. For example, say headphones. Just mention it naturally, like a normal conversation. Then wait. And suddenly, you'll start seeing ads for headphones everywhere, again and again. Want even stronger proof? Go to the Play Store right now, open any app, scroll down slowly, and find the data safety section. There, you'll often see something like, this app may share these data types with third parties. But don't stop there. Click on See Details, and you'll discover exactly what data the app collects, who it shares that data with, and how that data is actually used. Some apps collect more than you expect. Some share more than you're comfortable with. Now it starts making sense, right? So, the real question is, what can you do about it? First, never install apps from unknown sources. Always stick to trusted platforms. But that's not enough. The most important step is controlling your app permissions. Because permissions decide what an app can actually access. So be careful with camera, microphone, location, contacts, call logs, photos and videos, SMS. Ask yourself, does this app really need this? If not, don't allow it. Only allow when necessary. Turn it off when you're done. This simple habit can protect a huge part of your privacy. Because at the end of the day, no one, and I mean no one, will protect your data better than you. Remember, your privacy is your responsibility. If you stay aware today, you'll stay safe tomorrow. And in a world where data is power, awareness is your biggest weapon. For more eye-opening content like this, stay connected with us. See you in the next video. Till then, stay safe, stay smart.